Welcome back to Archive. Today we're diving into the world of AI visualization with Enscape. Imagine transforming your architectural renderings into stunning realities, all in real time. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Enscape and its game-changing impact on architectural visualization. This tool harnesses the power of AI to deliver real-time rendering, making your designs look like they're fresh off the page of a glossy magazine. Now, setting up Enscape is a breeze. Simply download it and integrate it with your favorite software like Revit or SketchUp. Its seamless compatibility ensures you can get started without a hitch. Once installed, let's navigate the Enscape interface. Here, you'll find the real-time rendering window, the extensive asset library, and the settings menu, all designed for intuitive use. Time to create your first render. Set up a scene in Revit or SketchUp, then switch to Enscape. Watch your design come to life in real time, adjusting lighting and materials to perfection. Enscape isn't just about basics. Dive into advanced features like VR integration, which immerses you and your clients in the design, or export panoramas for a complete 360-degree view. Need to impress clients with multiple views? Use Enscape's batch rendering to produce several high-quality images at once, streamlining your presentation process. Optimization is key. Keep your models efficient with Enscape's optimization tips, ensuring smooth performance even when your project demands more. Let's look at a case study. A small architecture firm used Enscape to boost client presentations, cutting down their workflow time and enhancing design communication. And there you have it. Enscape transforms your architectural visions into virtual realities. Download link in description. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more cutting-edge tutorials.